Welcome to Thursday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Whiz. Big day here at TGO. We have two webinars that you have got to see. You got to attend one of them. One is at noon, high noon today Eastern, and one is at 9 p.m. Eastern for those of you who can't make the noon webinar. So make sure you check your email and register for it. You do not want to miss this. Market is wallowing around post the Yellen news conference yesterday afternoon. Market's essentially flat, trying to figure out where the hell to go next. What I want to show you is look at this trade. Look at the GLD gap up this morning, up nearly 2%. Why? Check this out. Somebody just bought $500 million in gold futures at the opening. Okay, now obviously Ms. Yellen said we're going to keep interest rates low until the cows come home, until they really see this stumbling economy turn around, which isn't going to be anytime soon, but we can't keep interest rates low forever. And inflation's starting to tick up anyway, right? We saw core CPI the other day ticking up, and you all don't have to wait for macroeconomic data from the government to know that. You know, when you're going to buy a loaf of bread or a gallon of milk, it costs a hell of a lot more than it did a year ago, than it did 3 years ago even. So very interesting that somebody is putting a hell of a lot of chips on gold this morning, $500 million. Okay, weekly unemployment claims came in roughly in line. The market really not moving around on that. I think the market's more or less moving around on the Yellen comments, and everywhere from New York, London, to Chicago this morning. Everybody's kind of in conference rooms meeting, trying to see really what this means. But weekly unemployment claims essentially in line. Good number out of the Philly Fed, but look at this. Conference Board's leading index of economic indicators was a miss, and the previous report was revised down. So that's not good. Tomorrow is all quiet on the Western Front. Nothing really big out of the United States. So I think we probably slide into the close tomorrow. A lot of stuff going on around the world, folks. You know, there was a truce in Ukraine that lasted about a couple seconds before fighting again. So Russia, Ukraine, still a boiling pot. This cracks me up. Here comes the Greyhound bus for Maliki. So Obama touting Maliki, and Iraq's my greatest achievement, and here's a democracy, and we're handing this over to Maliki. He's got it. He's inclusive. He's going to include the Sunnis and the Kurds. It'll be one happy family. Goodbye. And now we're calling for his ouster. Unbelievable clown car out of the Obama administration in Iraq, and it's only going to get worse. And then from the Department of Are You Fricking Kidding Me? The IRS is saying that Lois Lerner's hard drives have been destroyed. This is not only criminal, it's absolutely disgusting. If you don't know who she is, that's because you watch the liberal media. She was involved in the targeting of conservative, quote, Tea Party groups during Obama's reelection bid. Darrell Issa, chairman in the House, subpoenaed her hard drives. For a while there, they only lost emails around the time frame that the subpoena called for. Now they're saying her computer was destroyed. They said it was recycled. Are you kidding me that this is going on, folks? How about you try that next time? When the IRS comes calling or it's time to do your taxes, just tell them your hard drive was recycled and you don't have any of your data, so you don't know anything this year. It's disgusting. This stinks to high heaven. It's impeachable, and it drives me bananas. The most transparent administration in the history of this nation? Are you kidding me? It's insane, man. It is absolutely insane what's going on in this country, and we don't care. Do we? I care, but it seems like a lot of you don't care. Otherwise, we wouldn't be in this situation. I'm shaking my head, folks. Buried a lot of buddies defending this once great nation, and this is going downhill. Hell in a handbasket. Anyway, we're going to talk about a lot of this stuff at 9 p.m. tonight, noon today, and you're going to want to be in there to see how, even though I'm holding my nose as an American, I potentially profit with all this craziness going on. So I'll see you in one of our webinars today. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with Friday's market wrap-up tomorrow. We'll see you.